Hello everybody, today I will show you basic step-by-step guide about Microsoft Word. In this series we will learn everything which we need to know in order to use Microsoft Word. Basically you're going to start, and obviously if you have Word installed on your computer it will come up. Just type in Microsoft and then it will come up as Microsoft Word 13. When you click on it you will see the home page like this. When this comes up you just don't know what to click, where to go, how to start. Okay, all you need to do is open blank document. This is like a book in front of you, book with nothing. So you open. So this is the page right in front of you. Computer has automatically named as document 1. So anything you do here, it will be saved as document 1, document 2. But it's better to save it according to the topic. For example, I'm going to name this Microsoft Word Lesson 1. Microsoft Word Lesson 1. So I'm going to go to File. If I click Save, then it will save this document as document 1. So in order to change the name here, I'm going to go to File and Save As. You got few options where to save this file. You can save it onto your computer or personal drive. Personal drive is anything you save here. You can log on to anywhere in the world and then obtain your files from there. If you save it on computer, it will be only saved on this laptop. So I'm going to save it on this computer for time being. I'm going to tell computer where to save this, because I find my old work very easily, very simply using this computer. So I save it on desktop. I'm going to create a folder and call it Microsoft Word Lesson. So everything we learn, it will be saved in here. Because I started this document with this line, so Word always picks up the first line and saves your documents according to what's written in the first line. So you can actually save the name. So can you see now? This has changed Microsoft Lesson 1. In Lesson 1, I will talk you through what each layout does. So number 1, a file. Right, file, this is the main, this is like a big boss. Everything we do with the file, it's all been recorded in here. Okay, now just like in a company you have a manager, and then manager, then the supervisor, then the team leader, and then the co-worker, and then from workers you have another leader. So basically it gives you breakdowns, a lot of breakdowns. So if you click on file, you will see a lot of menus there. There you go. When you click on info, this will give you information all about Microsoft Word Lesson 1 file. Now this is nothing to do with Microsoft Word, this is to do with this file. So when you send this file to someone, they can actually see who is the author. But at the moment it says owner who, so you can add your own name. For example, let's say your name. What's your name? Okay,
Care.
What name should we use?
Care. K-E-R.
Let's say Care. He is the owner of the file. Now Let's see if it changes. Let's just change the name of the owner. I'm going to property and change the owner to KER. Yep. So you are the author and the owner as well. Okay, this file size is 11.2 kilobytes. It's a very small file. It's got page 1 and there's 5 words. This is very important. Sometimes when you get work from school, they will ask you that you have to do assignments 50 words, 200 words, 300 words. Okay, so you can actually count number of words on here. Yeah, it took me 3 minutes to make that page, but since I've not done any work, so that's why it's showing 3 minutes, and it gives you time, what time I started doing this work. So this file was created on 11:29. Yes, and obviously it will give the dates and everything when you go into more details. It says today. If it was yesterday, it would have appeared yesterday's date on. So up here, instead of today, it would have appeared the date when it was last created. Okay, so all this gives you everything all about the file. Yeah, protect document. You don't need to worry about all this. No one bothers and no one checks. But if you've got very important document and you want to save it and protect it so nobody can go in it and make changes. For example, if you are composing a very good book and you fear that people start copying everything from your book, then you can protect it. Set a password. So you can set your own password so nobody can ever edit this book without the password. So let's not go into that. We will talk about all this when we move to later stages. I hope this gives you lesson number 1 about basic of Microsoft Word file. Thank you. Goodbye.